Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to qualify for LIHEAP. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or LIHEAP, is designed for households that need assistance covering home energy bills. Naturally, the most crucial criterion looked at is the home's financial status. As a result, the program has only one guiding principle: the household income must fall within the LIHEAP income limits. Each state establishes its parameters in line with the provisions of the LIHEAP statute, which state that the home's income shouldn't be more than the greater of 150% of the Federal Poverty Guideline (FPG) or 60% of the state median income semi-level. These limits are determined annually. The eligibility income level should also not be set below 110% of the FPG. Ensure you check with your State Department to get more concrete figures. You can visit acf.hs.gov. The full link is in the description for more details. So there you have it. With these simple guidelines, you'll know if you qualify for LIHEAP. Thanks for watching, and until next time.